As I watched it earlier.
Here we give one of the videos and we watch one of the videos. Let's go to the other system.
Okay, so this is an Acer system that has...
By the way,
yes, yeah, okay. So this is an Acer system that's also running Moblin version 2. It's an interesting technology demonstration here. I'm going to go up to my toolbar and come over to the applications and open the applications. And what you'll see down here is I actually have a technology demonstration of Google Android apps.
So actually what we have, for the first one we showed you, the first operation is the Moblin. For the second one we show you technology demo of Google running above Moblin. So you can do it as well, and that's what we see over here. What do we have on the third system?
The third system is just running Windows Vista.
It's a Windows Vista Starter Edition. That is running. So you have three systems. We show you three options on the system: native Moblin, a demo, technology demo, Android over Moblin, and a Vista Starter Edition, Windows 7 Starter Edition. That all of them are running on our system, and that's what I said. This is both choice. Still, what's so special about what we spoke about Moblin?